You ever see that meme of the Red Sea, the girl in the Red Sea? It's like a body of water and then around her looks like a shark came. I don't want to be that girl. I didn't even know you can do this, but you can delay your period. But it's like, it's the timing. There's humor behind it. It's like you book a trip that involves a bikini, or there's a big event coming up and your period's like, hi, I'm coming with you. You're like, yay, party of two. We're gonna talk about some sexual well-being. It can be such a shameful subject that can leave you feeling like, I don't really wanna ask it. Hello, hi. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing a mini series with WISP here on this channel that's gonna flush out a little bit of the sexual wealth. Because when you can own that, there's a confidence in saying, I have this going on, but I know what to do about it. And that's what every piece of content on this Live Free channel is. It's about empowered choices. From, I can recall in high school, I think we had like a sex ed class. It was like one class, that's it. Figure the rest out, which is why we're all like Googling online and trying to figure things out, which, ta-da, WISP. Thank you, we're doing it that way. The unboxing. WISP is digitalized sexual health care. If I were to go, even when I went to the doctor before, there was one gynecologist in Miami that I didn't mind going to, but then I started to pay out of pocket. I'll save the rest of the conversation for another day. I don't have health insurance, so if I needed something, 1, I have to pay out of pocket. 2, I have to find a good doctor to go to. 3, I'm in Tulum right now. Even if I needed to see a doctor or had a question, I couldn't contact them. So one of the things that I absolutely love about WISP, I can message someone right now on my laptop, on my phone, or whatever, and get in touch with. They have WISP Care, which is $10 a month, and I can get access to doctors from anywhere. Unboxing today, they sent me this. Went online, filled out a little form as to what I wanted to focus on, and this came in my overnight. I mean, it's like almost faster. If I tried to make an appointment with a doctor back in Miami, it takes like what? You have to book it a month or 2 out? This is such a time saver. So inside the box, there's this beautiful art display. I love it. And this is also, it's eco-friendly. I mean, I think at the pharmacy, they use even more packaging. This I can just all recycle. So inside, I filled out the little form and said, here's what I'm doing, here's what I'm going. I have probiotics, which is so important. I'm here in Tulum, and I have a gringa stomach, so I run into some issues when I travel. Probioticos. And it comes with the instructions and everything right there on it. Easy. This is glass. No waste. I didn't even know you can do this, but you can delay your period. That goes back to the initial, you don't want to be the girl in the sea with sharks around. And there's nothing, it's like, it seems like the universe just has your back in that one. The universe always does have my back. That I know for sure. And a morning after pill. What I love is being able to access this. Own your sexuality. And you don't have to make a big thing about it. It's like, it doesn't take a whole day to go to the doctor and blah, blah, blah. And especially if you don't have health insurance, like me, if I needed something, it's not that easy. I love things that make my life simple and easy, take less time, yet are all about my own well-being. I'm really glad to be sharing this from WISP. You don't need to whisper about it anymore. You can scream! Sexuality! Housekeeping's gonna come in. All right, more to come in this series with WISP and sexual wealth.